Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Blue color, pink color, red color, sky blue color, light green color and purple color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 20. First, 1. Number 1. Next, 2. Number 2. Next kids, 3. Number 3. Next, 4. Number 4. Next kids, 5. Number 5. Next kids, 6. Number 6. Next kids, 7. Number 7. Next, 8. Number 8. Number 8. Next kids, 9. Number 9. Next kids, 10. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. Next kids, 11. 1, 1, 11. Number 11. Next, 12. 1, 2, 12. Number 12. Next kids, 13. 1, 3, 13. Number 13. Next kids, 14. 1, 4, 14. Number 14. Next kids, 15. 1, 5, 15. Number 15. Next kids, 16. 1, 6, 16. Number 16. Next kids, 17. 1, 7, 17. Number 17. Next kids, 18. 1, 8, 18. Number 18. Next kids, 19. 1, 9, 19. Number 19. Next kids, 20. 2, 0, 20. Number 20. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.